In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and remove subscribers in Klaviyo, whether you're looking to clean up your email lists or entirely remove subscriber data. This guide will walk you through the process efficiently and effectively. Let's start with the scenario where you only wish to remove a subscriber from a particular list while keeping their profile active in Klaviyo. The first step is to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Lists and Segments section, which you can find on the right panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. This section is where all your subscriber lists are housed, and from here you can manage all your audience segments with ease. Once you've navigated there, click on the list that contains the subscriber you wish to remove. Now, depending on the size of your list, you can either locate the subscriber's details manually or use the search bar for a quicker find. This function is particularly handy if you're dealing with an extensive list with many entries. When you found the subscriber, look for the three dots located on the right side of their entry. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Select the Remove option to have the subscriber removed from that specific list. This action allows you to manage your lists without losing valuable data for future targeting or personalization strategies. It's always a good practice to periodically review your list to ensure that you're communicating effectively with the right audience. Now, if your goal is to entirely delete a subscriber's data from Klaviyo, rendering it unretrievable, follow along as we explore this next step. You'll start by navigating to the Audience section and then proceed to Profiles. Here you have access to all individual subscriber data. To find the specific subscriber, use the search bar to enter their email address, which will take you directly to their profile page. After you've located the correct subscriber, click on their profile to view all associated data. At the bottom or side of the profile page, you'll notice an option labeled Delete Profile. It's crucial to note that this action is irreversible. Once you select this option, all data associated with that subscriber will be permanently erased from Klaviyo. Therefore, ensure that you're absolutely certain before proceeding with this step. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your subscribers in Klaviyo. Whether you're keeping your lists clean but retaining data, or permanently removing a subscriber, these steps should serve you well in maintaining an optimized email marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us next time for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your digital marketing tools.